Bananas, a good workout snack. Bananas are rich in nutrients like carbs and potassium, both of which are important for exercise performance and muscle growth. They're also easy to digest and can slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, making bananas a good food to eat before a workout. Health bananas are also good for post-workout recovery. Glycogen, stored carbohydrates in your liver and muscles, released for energy during exercise, it needs to be replenished after a workout. This is why simple carbohydrates that provide short bursts of energy, found in fruits and vegetables, also in processed products like candy, baked goods, and soft drinks, all best avoided, are recommended within 2 hours after you exercise. Banana is a natural food, contains helpful vitamins and nutrients, and provides around 30 grams of carbs to help replenish those glycogen stores. This makes it an ideal snack after exercise. In fact, a 2018 study found that bananas were just as good at replacing nutrients and preventing post-workout inflammation as sugary sports drinks. Banana is also commonly eaten for muscle cramps. Besides potassium, it also has calcium and magnesium. Both 3 minerals help to maintain electrolyte balance that is essential to prevent muscle cramps. 2012 study found that the fruit contains 18 unique metabolites that appeared in the blood of athletes who ate them. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and drop comment below, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification button to get notified when we upload another video like this.